Yeah, whiskey in the rain, coming down, splash of bourbon in a glass. Yeah, pouring something on the pain, let it drown, trying to wash away the past. Whoa, since my blue sky sunshine, a whole lot hopped on that midnight train. Till the bottle runs out, all the clouds roll away, it's just whiskey and a rain. Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. This is Blaze and Blaze Guitar Lessons. Please hit like and subscribe. It means a lot to me. It helps people more people see the video and stuff, and I really do appreciate it. Also, drop me a line in the comments. Let me know if you have any questions, or just let me know if you're a fan. If you're not a fan, don't say anything. Whatever, I don't know. Maybe I should take more constructive criticism if it's constructive. But anyway, so thanks for tuning in. All right, the song is super easy to play. You're gonna put a capo on the first fret. And it's in standard tuning. So if your guitar is already a half step down, you could actually just put a capo on the second fret. All right, so easy fix there. But so yeah, standard tuning, capo on the first fret. You're just gonna use a handful of chords here. So you're gonna use these chords. I'll show you the order. So I'll show you the chords right now. The order that you're gonna play them in the verses and in the chorus and stuff, because it changes a little bit. It's not one of those songs that's just like A, C, D, or whatever the whole time, right? So you're going to change it up a little bit. So I'll show you where you play them in the verses and the chorus and stuff. I'll also show you the strumming patterns. I'll show you two different ones for the chorus, so to make it like ultra beginner for one of them, and I'll show you the way that it sounds the best, I think. But well, you guys do what you want, okay? So let's get into this. The chords you're going to use are going to be, you're going to do A minor, okay, and you're going to do G. I think it's really easy to just do this G, but it's up to you on which one you want to do, okay? So you do that G, and you're going to do C. You're also going to do D and E minor. Okay? So the way you're going to start the song is you're just going to do da 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 da. So you just do A minor and then G. That's it for the intro, okay? And that's most of the verses too. Oops, I messed up right there. So you just do A minor, G. So at the end of it, I would just do a single strum down, okay? And then you're gonna do it's been a downpour. So for the verses, I think you should palm mute it. You don't have to. You could do it softly like this, okay? But I think it sounds best if you do palm mute it. So you're gonna do it's been a downpour. On down is where you're gonna do A minor. Downpour beating on the tin roof. So you're palm muting. You put this part of your hand. Excuse me, something in my throat, as close as you can to right here. Not on it, but as close as you can, like right in front of it. And then you're gonna hit the bass notes. So the deeper, see that? See those notes that are moving right there? The strings, the bass strings, okay? So you're gonna hit basically like the A and D strings, okay? It's been a downpour. So you do downpour, downpour. You're just doing downward strums, okay? So that's an easy way to remember it. Downpour, beating on the tin roof. It's been black. So black is where you do G. Black label pouring on ice. It's made a honky tonk. So then you just repeat. You're just doing A minor G for most of the verse, okay? It's made a honky tonk out of this living room. Yeah, swimming is G. Swimming through her goodbye. Okay, so swimming is where you do G. Swimming through her goodbye. And on misery, at the end of misery, you're gonna do C. You're gonna do goodbye, misery, like that at the end. So I'm just doing one downward strum. Misery, misery, loves company. So after company, you're gonna do D. Yeah, and you could just let it ring, or you can do what I did at the beginning of this video. You can do, yeah, whiskey in her. So you can just mute it and do a couple of slaps. Yeah, whiskey on a rain. So rain, all right, whiskey and rain. So rain is where you can do A minor. Whiskey and a rain. Rain is A minor. Rain coming down, splash. Okay, so the chord progression for the intro and for the chorus is the same, okay? So it's just down, down, up, down, up, down, up, up, down, up, down. Sorry, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. That's the chord. Not the chord progression is not always the same. It is for part of it, but the strumming pattern is the same. Now, what you could do for the chorus, and you can do this for the intro too. You could actually just do, yeah, whiskey and a rain coming down. So you could just do straight down strums if you're like super beginner, right? Whiskey and rain coming down, splash of bourbon in a glass. So you could just do that, or you can do alternating strums too. You could just do, yeah, whiskey and a rain coming down, splash of bourbon in a glass. Yeah, born. So you could do that. It doesn't sound as good as the way that I was saying, just the other way to do it, where you're just doing down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Okay, so that's the way you should play it, is the down, down, up, down, up. Okay. Now for the chord progression in the chorus, you're going to do this. So you're going to do, before yeah, you're going to do D. Yeah, whiskey and a rain. Rain is A minor. Rain coming down, splash of bourbon in a glass. So glass is G. That's easy to remember. Glass. Yeah, pouring something on the pain. So pain is A minor. Pain, let it drown, trying to wash away the past. So past is G. Past. Whoa. So this is where it changed. So far it changes. So far you're just doing A minor, G, but then here you're gonna go to E minor second. So you do, stay on G for whoa. Whoa. Since my blue. Okay, so blue you go to E minor here, okay? Blue sky, sunshine, whole. So you do whole is D. Whole life hopped on that mid. So you go to midnight train. You're just gonna do a single strum on mid. Midnight train. And you could keep strumming it the same way, but I think it sounds better if you slow it down. You do midnight train and then D. Till the bottle runs out. Okay, so you go. Then you're starting over with the chorus. So you're just gonna do A minor till the bottle runs out. Out is A minor. Out on the clouds roll away. It's just whiskey and a rain. Okay, so you're just gonna do the G and just let it ring out. And then you're gonna do, it's been nothing but a hangover trying to get over you. And then you're just gonna go to the second verse. The second verse is the same as the first one. Second chorus is the same as the first one. After you play the second chorus though, there's that solo part. So what you're gonna do is you're just gonna play E minor, D, then when you go to Misery Loves Company, you're just gonna play C again, okay? Misery, so misery is C. Misery loves company. And then D. Yeah, whiskey in a rain coming down, splash of bourbon in a glass. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to do the chorus one time. I'm just gonna walk you through it so you can see, okay? So actually, let's do this. I'll walk you through the first verse and the chorus so you can just see how the transitioning goes and everything. Okay, so you're gonna do, it's been a downpour beating on a tin roof. It's been Black Label pouring on ice. Made a honky-tonk out of this living room. Yeah, swimming through her goodbye. Misery loves company. Yeah, whiskey in a rain coming down, splash of bourbon in a glass. Yeah, pouring something on the pain, let it drown, trying to wash away the past. Whoa, since my blue sky sunshine whole life hopped on that midnight train. Till the bottle runs out or the clouds roll away, it's just whiskey and a rain. It's been nothing but a hangover. Okay, so you go on the second verse. Anyway, that's the whole thing. Let me know if you guys have any questions or anything. If you have other requests, please let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.